Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I just finished work and I thought Saraj wasn't home. I can share a story that I had been meaning to share for a very long time, and that was losing my PR card in India. Oh my god, what a disaster it was! And how I got to travel back and all of that. So let's get into the video. So first things first, had to take my coffee before I started with anything. So when I lost my PR card, I just didn't lose my PR card, I lost my mind as well. So it started when I was not able to find my wallet, but I was okay about it. I was like, kahin rakh diya hoga, hai na, and all of that. So once I got sure that I did not have my PR card, I obviously went to internet and started looking for options of how I can travel back because I knew I could travel via US. That was one option, and the other was a PRTD card, which I got to know when I googled. So, oh my god, hats off to Google. We do not realize how amazing it is and how grateful we should be to have it. Once I was got to know about the PRTD, the permanent resident travel document that would let me travel back to Canada. Applied the PRTD document online through the portal. It was a very straightforward process. They needed a couple of sorry, they needed a couple of documents to prove that you're basically based out of Canada, you've been staying there. We got the approval in less than 48 hours. As soon as we got the approval, we took the appointment for passport submission for visa stamping at VFS. We got that for the very next day. It took about 3 weeks for my passport to come back. It was like a visa stamped inside your passport that you could only use one time to travel back to Canada. It's a very easy, quick, smooth process. Though I hope it doesn't happen, but in case it does, guys, you can easily get your passport stamped with the PRTD document and travel back. So Siraj is back. I can hear the car being parked. So I'm gonna go, and we ordered some stuff, some really helpful stuff. So I'm gonna show you that. Hello. And Siraj is back from school. So हमने अपना package खोला.
Can baby get
Yes, baby can open his package. So I had ordered this from iHerb. It's a kid's tummy TLC medicine that I have given to. I basically got to know about it when we were staying in Dubai. The doctor recommended it, and oh my god, it does wonders with your kid's stomach. The issues vanish. So if your kid has any stomach concerns, of course I would like you to ask your doctor, but do try this. It's amazing. It's Ayurvedic, so it's amazing.
But the number one choice for mine was
Yeah, open yours.
the one.
What's in Siraj's package? Oh my god, my good bacha. He reminds me so much of my sister because she's also so prim and proper, just like him. Right? You like it?
Yeah, but there's gold inside.
I really like it. It's really good, guys.
You got this from Amazon.
Yeah, this one's from Amazon. This is the package. Very nice. And we were pretty tired after work, so we thought कि हम चलते हैं Mumbai to try Maharashtrian food. We've heard really good things about this place. Right, Saraj?
I didn't see it before.
He didn't care about him. He wasn't even interested in coming. So we gave him this Maggie. Sahil, are you excited to go and eat pav bhaji?
I hope I get it.
Yeah, we hope we get it. Let's see. Love the vibe of the place. And finally, Sahil got his pav bhaji. The food was decent, and that's how we ended our day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.